Hello, Ryan Smith here from Bahnhof Sport. Here to show you the 2013 Blizzard Bonifide. Bonifide is part of the Blizzard Free Mountain series. This is their 98 waist width option. This ski includes wood core, 2.5 sheets of Titanol, and Blizzard's proprietary technology Flip Core. Flip Core is Blizzard's rocker profile. This enables the ski to be very free when flat, great ski in the powder or crud, yet when on edge, very dynamic and strong. This ski is the true all-mountain ski for someone who wants to ski anywhere in the continental United States and take one pair of skis with them. The Blizzard Bonifide